everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little bit, it's been a couple of weeks. I have been busy. It's event season, so I've been hosting craft shows since last weekend. This past weekend was our first Fall Fun Festival. We have an upcoming event this coming up week, another Fall Fun Festival. I've been answering emails and updating the website, and I've been busy, y'all. I've been busy. And I also been in a funk. I haven't felt like really doing much of anything. The last thing I did was my binder here. Well, my journal notebook cover. So I start putting stuff in my notebook. Got a little pocket here. I made it. And I made a little strap for it to tie it up. And then I've been messing around with ChatGPT, asking it a bunch of stuff about travel info, cost of living in other places, that kind of thing, because I'm going to do some traveling next year. Got a trip to Europe planned for next year already, put the deposits down and everything. But I wanted to come on here and just catch up on y'all on what I'm up to. I had started cutting up some fabric, and I also cut out some batting to make a couple of more notebook covers. And my hang tags came. I ordered them off of Etsy, and here they are. Right here. Hope y'all can see that. Here's the hang tags. These are for my scrunchies. I didn't want to put a label in them, so I ordered the hang tags. And also, let me grab this. Ooh. And my new labels came right here. So I will be adding these onto my tote bags, and I keep forgetting to add it to my products. But I am going to try and remember to add these onto my products. And December the 6th, I have a Christmas craft show at a high school planned. She emailed me. I was a vendor last year, so she emailed me. They're getting it all together. So I'm going to do that event. The one that I thought was a scam last year because it was so cheap. It's $50 this year. It comes with a lunch and a table. So I'm going to apply for that one. And I'm going to have my sewn items, scrunchies. I'm going to make some more of these composition notebook covers. Some tote bags. I'm thinking I'm gonna make maybe a few makeup bags, some wreaths, and I'm gonna have some stocking stuffers, just a variety of things. It's December the 6th, so the wreaths that I make, I probably won't make any Christmas wreaths since Christmas is like 2 weeks away. But I'm gonna do some everyday wreaths, maybe some Valentine, bring out the Mardi Gras wreath that I made, and it's been packed up for a while. But it's going to be more of everyday wreaths or just themed wreaths. Stuff like that. I'm not going to make any Christmas wreaths. If I do, I may make one. And fall will be done with. I need to make me a fall wreath. Next video is definitely going to be a fall wreath. But y'all, I haven't been doing much of anything. I've just been getting ready for these upcoming events. In November, we're going to have 3 events in November out of the 5 weekends. One of them's a 2-day event. And I got to check my email. I just checked it a little while ago, but I need to update with one of the marketing people that we want to run some ads with to see if they did the what do you call that? If they designed the graphic for the website or the newsletter. I think it's the website. we want to run some ads on a website in the area we're going to be having a craft show. Talked to them, did everything, and they gave me the pricing, told me that they can have a preview of the ad for us to approve on Friday before lunch, but I hadn't heard back from them, so I sent them a reminder Friday. So hopefully today they'll get back to us. If not, I'm going to follow up with them this afternoon to try to get that in before Wednesday so it can run a full month in their on their local website. But I haven't been doing much of anything, y'all. When it came to craft, I've been in a funk. I haven't did much of anything except for make my notebook, and I've ordered some supplies. I ordered some elastic. It was the wrong size, so I reordered. I ordered the 1/4 inch. No, I ordered the 1/4 inch, and I meant to order the 1/2 inch, I'm thinking. But I will find something to do with that 1/4 inch. I don't like sending stuff back. I get it off eBay. Your girl don't mess with Amazon. So what I'm planning to do this week, I'm going to make me a wreath. I need a wreath for my front door. And I need to make Mom a wreath. And I'm going to cut up some fabric. I'm going to get my scrunchies together. And also at the event, I will be selling some holiday themed items like tote bags and scrunchies. And I may have some, no, I'm not gonna make any like holiday print, like makeup bags. But I'm also, I'm gonna start making up makeup bags next week. I'm just gonna make a few. I think I got it down. I'm gonna show y'all. But that's really all I'm planning to do for the craft show is make some wreaths, scrunchies, a few makeup bags, some composition notebook covers. I'm not going to make any aprons. I'm going to do some laptop bags, well, more like Kindle bags, book sleeves, stuff like that. And I'm also going to make some, I don't want to mess up her name. Oh, I cannot think of it. Every year, I go to her channel and I see what gift items she's made for her craft shows. And I cannot think of her name for anything right now. But I'm going to go to her channel, see what she's got going on. Each year I make up some like Hershey's nuggets and like little cocoa pouches, stuff like that. And I'm gonna do that for stocking stuffers. I may do the cocoa envelopes this year. I didn't do it last year, but I might do it this year. The thing about it is the cocoa envelopes, I was selling those for like $2, but the way price of everything's went up, I really didn't want to sell them for more than that, but I'll have to, do a cost of current supplies, see how much it costs, see how long it takes. It doesn't really take that long, and come up with a price for those. My cozy packs did good last year. Had a little bit of everything in those. Those were a good seller, but like everything else, the price of those is gonna have to go up because I went and checked out the supplies. I got a lot of the stuff from Dollar Tree. As y'all know, Dollar Tree has raised their price again. First, they went from $1 to $1.25. Then it went to $1.25 to Dollar Tree Plus, where stuff was $3, $5, $2. Now everything in there is like $1. It's $1.50, $1.75. And plus, they got the $5, $3. So the stuff that I use for my cozy packs and my cocoa envelope, the price went up. So I got to check it out to see if I want to raise the price or eat the cost of the inflation. But y'all, I'm going to give y'all a quick overview of my craft room. My craft room is still like stocked. I just really need to start crafting. But with my work schedule, I'll be tired. On the weekends, I've been trying to do a little bit, you know, before work. Like I'm doing this video before work. I gotta go to work in a little bit. But here's an update of my craft room, y'all. That's my door. And that's my board of stuff I need to do. There's my little heat press. That's my sister's, but I've confiscated it. I've been having it for about a year. She don't even know it's gone. Here's my rolls of mesh. There's my signage up top. Some fall stuff up top there. My bow maker. And some more craft supplies. And all those totes all the way to the back is ribbon. Here's some 4th of July stuff I had. Some of the 21-inch mesh on the bottom row. Here's some of the used mesh that's in that little brown circular tote over there. And here's some wreath that I made for my jewelry business. A little duck. Here's some scraps in the little round thing right there. There's the jean that I use when I'm cutting up, doing patchwork jean. Those up top, I use those for scrunchie holders at events, but those are napkin holders. And here's my iron and my little iron pad. I need a new one. Here's some scrap fabrics in there. There's my little electrical station for my camera, a little mini iron. And here is all of my fabrics that I put on the comic book boards. And up top there's some foam and batting. And here's like a whole bolt of fabric in there. And over there's all my threads. My trusty sewing machine here. An embroidery machine. And then in here I bought some pieces of fabric. This is just like squares like this of fabric. Little bundles, little backwaters. There's different ones that I have in here. And here has all my sewing like pieces, like different little bead. Here's the elastic, that's the wrong size. This is the size I meant to get. Ended up with that one. And here's all my pretty fabrics. I need to grab some to cut up to start making some scrunchies. A lot of these, I just got them. They were on clearance at Michael's. Or I went to Hobby Lobby and grabbed them on clearance. I really like this. This is pretty. I'm going to make some scrunchies out of that. And here's my jean. These are pretty. And this is my little work area in the closet here. This is where I have some more stuff. Some ribbon. All those totes, those are empty. I plan on putting different inventory in a blue bag. I got bolts of fabric. In these, I have some fabric in those. Up top, got a big thing of yarn. There was a couple of craft projects I wanted to do with that. And here's the tray that I have when I'm planning to do something. It was sitting on this table over here. I throw it on here, and it's also some scraps from some testing projects when I was making up stuff. But yep, y'all, this is my craft room. I just need to start using it more. I need to use it more, but like I said, I be tired after work, and I be trying to get in here, but when I get in one of my little moods, forgive me, y'all. I'm trying to get more consistent with my videos, but that's all I got for y'all today. If y'all have any comments or questions, drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I know, shameless plug, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.